Masha.
I'm Geff.
And the tune is Going Down to Cairo. Cairo is a town in southern Illinois. And we're in the key of G.
So I
You're
forget what we do
tuned-
next.
you're
I'm tuned.
tuned
The tune
normally?
is normal standard tuning on the fiddle. G, D, A, E.
And I'm in an open G chord. So for my fat string, I have to think about this. D, G, B, D, G.
That's the fifth string there at the end. Am I going now first? I forget.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to play it. I'll play it and very simply and slowly. First time through. Then I'm going to play it 2 more times through, a little faster but not much, and a little fancier but not much. Okay, going down to Cairo. Starting with 4 potatoes. Oh, sorry. Am I done? Apparently not. Now I'm done.
There are, by the way, lyrics to this. It's a variation of Liza Jane, and the only reason that I mention the lyrics is because it sometimes helps you keep the tune in your head. It's, I ain't got time to kiss you now, goodbye, goodbye. I ain't got time to kiss you now, goodbye, Liza Jane. Gone down to Cairo, I can't remember the words. They're going down to Cairo. Goodbye, Liza Jane. Cairo, as I said, is a town in southern Illinois. It's where people who were conscripted into the army had to go. And up here. mistakes are part of the tradition too.
Creativity. We'll play it again now 3 times. The first time right now will be slow,
Slow and simple.
We've got to slow ourselves down. And then time 2 and time 3 will be medium speed, not too fancy, not too fast. Okay. With potatoes, but slow. Okay.